Tell you what, I need a little tripod to show you these little clips of what we do. So this is a GL1800 Goldwing, obviously, Honda Goldwing, and it had air in the clutch. I've actually done a pre-bleed, but this video shows exactly where it's buried and how it's not straightforward to get to. Some bikes can get straight on them. These, not so much. Still air in the system, you see, 'cause it's never been changed. Oh, I say never, but what year is it? 2009. It probably has been changed, but not for a long time. So as the customer complaining, a little bit of sponginess on it, the clutch isn't responding very well. So the first thing to do is, while we're doing the service, get some fresh fluid in there and then see how she feels.